Hey guys, so welcome to the third part of this. If you guys wonder why I put this video into smaller parts so it's easier for you guys to download and to watch it, and yeah, let's get started. So the second part, we have finite acid and alkali. Acid and alkali, and then we are going to move on to the calculation part. So what are the formulas that we have? Okay, so the first formula that we have is the pH equal to negative log H plus. So basically, if a question gives you the concentration of a hydrogen ion and it asks you to find the pH of a substance, you just put in the concentration over here and then you'll get the pH. And then we have the next one, which is the pOH equal to negative log OH negative. This one is the concentration of hydroxide ion. So, you guess this is tricky. If they want pOH, you use this. But what if they give you the concentration of hydroxide ion, but they want pH? How do you do it? So, this is the thing. This is the third formula. pH plus pOH equals to 14. So pH equal to 14 minus pOH. Okay? So basically, if they give that, you just use this one, you just minus 14, okay? And then you get the pH if they give this. However, if they give the hydroxide ion and they are asking for the concentration of H plus ion, after you minus it, like I just explained, you can use this formula by putting the pH inside of here to get the H plus. I hope you understand. If you don't, you can just message me or something. Okay? Sorry for the meeting, people that joined the meeting, I missed this part, but I just flipping through and I remembered to include this part. Okay, so the next one is, we are moving to concentration and molarity. Concentration and molarity. What is this? Before we understand what it is, let's look at the formula first. This is mass of solute per volume of solution. Number of moles of solids equal to volume of, so that is a dioxide. Volume of solution. Also the MQ. This is mole. So basically, concentration is how much mass you have in a volume of solution, and number of and molarity is how many number of moles you have of a solute in a volume of concentration. So basically, this is the mass of the solute and this is the mole of the solute. So what's the, what do you call it? What's the unit for this? What's the unit? So first, if you don't remember, what is the unit for concentration or molarity? You just recall the formula. Formula you of course have to hafal, no shortcut lah. Have to hafal. So mass is gram and dm cube. So just put gram dm cube over 3. Sorry, not 3, no negative here. Sorry. You know this. Okay. So what is this one? Remember, number of moles over volume of solution. So it's mole here, dm cube, like that. So, but Leah, it's dm cube. What if they give the volume of solution in cm cube? So cm cube to dm cube, you just divide 1000. If you want to change over here, times 1000. That's it. Okay? But Leah, what if they ask to change from concentration to molarity? So, concentration to molarity. So, if you notice the pattern in these formulas involving moles, molar, anything that involves mole, you divide with something. You divide. So, in this case, you divide with the molar mass of the substance. For this one, just reverse it a few times. Times molar mass. That's it. So, the next formula that we are going to be talking about is N equal to mv over 1000. When should you use this formula? This formula is to find mole of solution. But you have to remember, this one, you guys know what is mole, right? This is molarity and this is the volume. This volume must be in cm cube. What if they give the m cube? This one, if you don't know what is the function of 1000, why we divide 1000? We divide 1000 because we want to make it into dm cube. See, dm cube. However, if it's already in dm cube, you no need to divide by 1000. You don't need to divide by 1000. Okay? Because this function of dividing 1000 is just to change it into the m cube because the volume is in cm cube. However, if the volume is already in cm cube, you no need to divide. Okay? I hope it's clear. Next, the formula is M1 V1 equal to M2 V2. This one is 2 for dilution. Basically, they give you molar of one and then they give you the molar of another substance and find the volume after they dilute it. So just insert in the formula. That's it. And then for MAVA over MBVB A over B. This one is for, can you guess? Neutralization. Sample. Okay, so this one is the same as this, but this one is the mole. These two, not to this one is the mole. So how many mole of acid it is? How to find the mole? So 1 Na plus 1 KO. This is the mole. Okay? I'm just telling in case some of you don't know. Better safe than sorry, right? So, and yeah, I think that's all the calculation that we had. If I miss any, I'm sorry. And yeah, I think that's all. Neutralization. Yeah, that's all. The next is the crystal. Okay. think that's it for now.